I got. Hey, dumb fuck! I was trying to say get the heli. I can't just jump over there. Oh my god, bro. I'm trying. I'm coming down. I'm coming down. Yep. I'm down. Hold on, hold on. Is there armor? I got it. I got it. Do we both don't need bikes, right? All right, I got it. I got it. All right, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Goodness gracious. Just come on. Just go. Follow him. There's the fucking way we did it last time. God damn it. I'm back. You're so fun. You're no fun. I know I'm no fun. I'm sorry. We're just trying to get this one. Take a ride there and wire it back. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Just hold on. Hi, what's going on, Scotty? What's going on, gamer? Glad you guys are back, man. What's going on? Hell yeah, fuck. Dude, that shit was annoying, but hopefully we got it now. My boy Aaron over here got this shit. There we go. People fucking suck! God, dude. That's stupid, man. That's... Now, guys, give me 1 second. Alright, guys. Remember, follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, fucking Twitter, Kick, whatever it is that you guys use. Stay in touch with me, guys. You're so uptight. Make us laugh. It's only a game. Kylie, I am fun. You're just new here. Trust me. It's irritating when you're doing it like 10 times in a row and everybody keeps fucking up. So, trust me. The people that know me that are loyal here, they know. It's just annoying as hell. It's annoying. Weed is good. It's not bad for you. You won't die from weed. He is funny. You need to see his channel. Yeah, see, Kyle, you just gotta give me a chance. But welcome. Hello. But damn, dude, that cop like ran the fuck out of that cop car, dude. Holy shit. Whew. Alright, man. If I can end up shooting that helicopter down, oh my god, bro. The Carmike, he is this Carmike. Oh, Aaron not being able to drive. He has too much of that dick on his mind. You cuss so much. I know I do, but that's what my peeps like, man. Fuck that. I ain't going 24 hours. No. This kid is saying we should do a week stream. What do you guys think about that? Too much dick, man. Too much dick. Guys, if you haven't already, please drop a like, guys. Also subscribe, guys. We're going to be doing this all night, so... yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hate on one. He is a faggot. What's going on, Nick Miller? Welcome, buddy. How are you, man? Welcome to the stream. Oh shit. I can't even shoot him. Okay. No, what the fuck? He's crazy a week. I know, Drizzy. He's crazy as fuck. You. I'm still here, you know. Do some free roam. We're gonna definitely do some free roam soon. We're just finishing up some heists that people wanted to see. So, even though it's been forever, so. But we'll definitely get into some free roam. We'll go around killing some of the people. Me, my boys right here. We'll definitely go out and start killing some people. So, no worries. Whew. We're jumping out. Man, if you were on the bike. I know, dude. That'd be crazy if we were. At the what? 5 stars with pistol? Hell yeah, dude. We'll definitely do something like that, man. That's what we'll do. That, Hector. No worries, man. We'll definitely do that. After this, we'll definitely get in some free roam. We'll definitely kill some people. We'll do some 5-star pistols. So we'll work towards that, guys. No worries. 5 stars with pistols. Not now. Goodness gracious, guys! If you haven't already, like I said, subscribe, leave a like, guys. We're gonna be here. We're gonna be here all night, man. He's a joke. We have 1 year and 5 months with this president. Here's a joke. Oh. Yeah, but who do you want next for president? I mean, in his internal. So you want us to jump out, or do you want to? What's your plan? What's your plan? Aaron. What's your plan? Alright. I already did. Oh my god! Woo! I almost... no, I just... wow. I fucked up! I hit a tree! I hit a tree! I hit a tree! I didn't know, like, the land was that close, bro. The land is so close. Oh my god, dude. I did not know how high we were, like, low we were. We were not that fucking... I don't know. I went down fast, dude. I went down fast as fuck. Alright, y'all wanna just quit it and go into the free room? Huh? Ah! Fuck you, bitch. Go! You little slow fuck. Oh shit. That was fucking chaos, man. Chaos, get on a fucking bike. Hurry up, the cops are coming. Oh wow, fucking really? I thought we could really do that too.